Hey, I try to make something every day in my shop here, and I managed to make these hold downs here for the Stevens subplate vise on this 80-year-old milling machine. And I encourage all of you to get out in your shack and make something. It's just a good thing to do. Now have a great day, and I will be back. Hey, that's pretty easy. 9/16 hole through that steel. I'm going to do the other end. Up. This is Stevens subplate vise. And man, it's got some power to it. It's a good one. It's got a torque limiting system in it you can set. It's got 2 clutches in it for that. Okay, I'm going to stick that in there just like that. Check it out with a square here. These are a couple just hold down clamps here I'm making for this very vise. Let me get a little tension off that so I can move it a little bit. Right there. Snug it down. Get a little more lube on there. Make sure beeswax, Castrol Molly D, and other secret ingredients. Oh, that's great. Look at that. On we go here.